Sitting on Good Times here, enjoying some beautiful weather. Here it is, February. Beautiful weather. I think it's going to get up in the mid 80s today. Is in the high 60s last night. Y'all know, those that follow my channel know this is certainly my favorite place. Haven't put out a lot of videos lately, but there's a lot of reason for that. That's part of what this video was about, is to show you what I've been doing. And all of what I'm going to show you at the farm that I'm doing is to get me back here, get me more time on the water. Y'all that follow the channel know that when we went down to the Keys, you know, when I went, I was on the verge of being able to want to stay on the boat and sort of trying that out. But the thing that you learn, and the thing I learned is, number one is you got to have something to come back to. When we're doing the Great Loop or all the adventures I'm going to be on, at some point you got to have somewhere to come back to, somewhere you got to come back to home. When I was down in the Keys, the one thing I experienced and noticed is, you know, when you have a house and it's sitting, you know, empty, and you're worried about whatever is going on there, what have you. And so at the farm, when I sold the house I was in and bought that place, it was to get all my kids on, help get all my kids on the property, which number one is so I can spend more time with them, and number two, they can help look out for stuff whenever I'm not there. So I've been working extremely hard getting us out there, because you have that moment of selling one house and having that be in another place very quickly. Now I moved into a camper, me and one of my daughters, and because the other part of that is I want that place to be very inexpensive. So everything you're going to see on the video is paid for. Everything I've built myself, and then what I'm in the process of building. But the thing is, it's all paid for. It's all, I don't owe anybody for it. When I get done there, it's going to allow me to have much more freedom and time here on the boat, on Good Times. And of course, y'all know that myself and Zoffinger are starting a kayak rental business here, and it's going to give me a lot more time to do our tours and pulling kayaks out on the mothership here on both Good Times and Kontiki, and just really showing people what we live, what we love to do. And that's, you know, it's going to be an absolute blast. But that's why I hadn't been turning out a lot of videos. I'm getting back on it. That's part of this now. I'm sort of getting to a degree to where I'll be able to have more time, because, you know, it's a lot of hours in each video. We don't just throw up something or talk something and just post that up. We spend some time on each video. So as life has it, it takes, you know, it takes a good bit of time to do stuff. But we're definitely making progress here at Zoffinger's. I'm making progress at the farm. But so look at the ducks. It's that time of year, all the ducks are here. Duck flying, and duck hunters all over the place. Usually there's hundreds of them you've seen. But anyways, I'll be able to get back to turning out some more quality videos, and this next few months is looking to be very, very exciting. You're going to see some other things we worked on. Are just about to have our captain's license so that we can pull people out, and looking forward to people coming here, meeting people, hearing their stories, what's happening with them. It's a cool deal. But let me just sort of show you what I got going on at the farm, and maybe you'll understand why I hadn't been doing too many videos. Watch this. So yeah, just like that, we're back here at the farm. I bought 10 acres out here, like I was telling you, and we'll be growing some stuff for the family. Definitely want to do a little bit for sale, but it's mostly for the family. And I don't want to show too much of the work that I've done, because I want to show it to you in time as how we did it. But I was videoing the whole time, and in preparation to showing you in the videos what all we've done. But again, like I said, the major reason I'm doing this is so that I got a place to come back to, my children have a great place to live, and you know, when I'm gone, I don't have to worry about what's going on back at my house, and it's going to give me a lot more time on Good Times, and that is what I'm really been working hard for. So yeah, so watch these next few videos. I'll show you like when it was pretty much nothing out here, and you're going to see it all the way up to where we are today. But yeah, so take a look. Today is April the 7th, 2017. I'm heading back down to the farm. I got another container being delivered for more storage. So I have sold, or am in the process of closing on selling my house and my shop, which is where I run my business out of, and everything, and moving everything to the farm, and there's nothing there, you know. It's just open land. So I kind of realized this is like a big chess game. You have to be thinking 2 or 3 steps ahead, and if you don't, you're in a world of hurt. You're gonna get in checkmate. It's gonna mess you up. So I'm having a second container dropped to act as a temporary workshop as well as storage. And today's Friday. Monday we're gonna be starting pouring the pad for the shop, and supposedly closing sometime at the end of next week. So it's cutting it close. Got to be thinking ahead and thinking about when you do this, what's going to cause that, or what I'm trying not to do is have to work twice, have to move something twice or whatever. I hate doing stuff like that, so it's just a waste of time. So we'll see. We got another container coming, 40-foot container. It's a great storage option. It's only, with this company, 40-foot 8x40 is only $110 a month. Cannot beat that, and they deliver it to you. Pick it up. Unbelievable. But we'll see. Got a lot going on today. This has got the second big container truck bringing in the other container like that, and way out there is the guy setting the water tank from the well, and then we'll be working on this footing here today. A lot going on. I'm gonna finish hooking up this water line, and then I'm gonna run a drain pipe. We're gonna have to be a bathroom in the corner. Going to be a bathroom in the corner, so I'm gonna have a temporary little holding tank out here till we get the first house, and then we'll put in a regular septic tank. So yeah.
Papa, can I play with tennis?
Huh?
I want to play with tennis.
What?
I want to play with tennis. Can I play with it?
Yes, sir. Sure can. We'll find you a ball.
I want to play tennis with me.
I can't play with you, but because I'm working, but you can get Bubby. I got a ball. Give it somewhere.
Bobby! Bobby! Bobby!
That's it. Yep, good one. That's it. Playing with the boys a little bit. I got finished what I needed to do, and we had the concrete truck out there the next day, and Man, it was hot that day. It was hard, but we did actually get it done, all of it. But we had to do it in 3 different pours because of the amount. Had a couple friends there helping me out, but after this, I'm gonna go into what we are calling the tiny house build. I built a 12 by 40 small house, a little 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom kitchen thing. One of my daughters will live in it. But you can see there the concrete was complete whenever we got to this. And, you know, this is the dead of summer. And it was terribly hot. But we did get it through. We got this whole thing framed up and closed in just in time for the hurricane, I might add. And for those that follow Zoffringer's channel, you'll know that he made a video about coming over and staying here during the hurricanes. At that time, we thought it was going to be a lot worse in Tampa, and the storm did end up coming directly over us here. But as I like to say, the tiny house is Category 2 certified. Listen, I know this is off the beaten path of what we normally do, but I just wanted to kind of show you what we're up to. What's been taking so long, kind of keeping us from doing as many videos as we like. And the next one, I'm going to get back to the trip, the return trip. And we got a lot more coming after that. Y'all stay tuned. Enjoy this time lapse. We'll see you soon.